Hi Sophie. A4 wall clouds. I haven't actually had any sales for a while, but I just had an order of two, so I've opened up some of the packets. So this one is fine because we've got it printed as it should do. So it's got, because these go on the wall, so it can't be any double-sided because they go on their walls. So, you know, it goes like that page, etc. And also this is fine. I'm just referring to one packet that you sent. So the packet would have had 5 in. So I really, because these are £13 each and there's 5 of them, that's, you know, that's quite a lot of money. And if you look at this pack, every single one of them is not only printed wrong, because it's got, look, it's actually printed double side. So it goes like that, but also it's obviously been resting, just showing you. So it's obviously been resting. So all the back there, it must have been put in when it was still wet, or I don't know. But if you can see, it's literally gone, every single one has got this blue on it from the one before. That one is not quite so bad, but you can see the blue on all of them. But the main, other than that, so I know my customers will whinge, other than that, they've been printed wrong because they've been printed both sides. So I haven't opened these for a while because I've not actually, and I think, are we 1.7 now? But these A4 wall clouds, there's definitely 5 of them. In a box of 5, there's definitely 5 of them that I need a new 5. I need another 5. This one looks alright, so I'm actually going to send this one off to them. I think this paper feels really thin as well, not as thin as the other one. But anyway, the main thing is I just want another 5 to replace this pack, one of the boxes, one of the packs that has blue. Oops, that has this blue coming off the back of them and is on the front of them, and that's printed incorrectly. So definitely 5 new A4 wall clouds, please. And also this issue that we had with when it's cutting out some of, I don't know who's cutting them or how it's being cut, but the red border. So on this one, it's completely missed the sort of central. You can see the red border's just cut off at the bottom. So options so that it doesn't keep happening. Let me know whether we need to change that front file so that there's more margin for error or whatever. I don't know, but let me know, because obviously as soon as they open, I've just sent off 100 of the spelling cloud keyrings to a school, and I know the school is fussy, so I won't be surprised if they say to me some of these need replacing. So let's make sure we get it right, so that obviously I get the stuff and then I can post it off and I don't get requests for the rejects to be returned.